I want to share my favorite pasta dish with you. It is simple enough to make on a weeknight and good enough to serve to guests. All you need is a handful of ingredients. The dish is called spaghetti ali olio, Italian for spaghetti with garlic and oil. It sounds simple because it is, but when you make it well, it is extraordinary. Start by cooking your spaghetti in a large pot of well salted water. You want it al dente, cooked through, but with a little bite left in it. Just before you drain the pasta, set aside 1 cup of the cooking water. This starchy water is the secret to the sauce. Don't skip this step. While the pasta cooks, pour 1/3 of a cup of olive oil into a wide pan and set the heat to low. You want a gentle warmth, not a fierce heat. Add 8 thinly sliced garlic cloves. Let them cook slowly in the oil, stirring occasionally until they turn a pale golden color. Watch them carefully. Burnt garlic will ruin the dish. Add a generous pinch of red pepper flakes and let them bloom in the oil for a few seconds. This gives the dish a quiet warmth rather than a sharp heat. Add more if you enjoy spice. Add the drained spaghetti to the pan. Pour in the pasta water gradually, tossing everything together as you go. As you toss, the starchy water and the olive oil come together into a light, silky sauce that coats every strand. It takes a minute, but you'll see it happen. Finish with a good amount of Parmesan. I don't measure it. I just keep adding until it looks right. Serve it with steamed broccoli on the side. The freshness of the broccoli balances the richness of the oil beautifully. That's the whole recipe. No complicated techniques, no hard to find ingredients, just a few good things treated with a little care. Make it this week. I really think you'll love it. And yes, it really is the best pasta ever.